The limit as h approaches 0 of the expression 6 plus h squared minus 36 over h. In this case, we'll be using the FOIL method in the numerator. So the limit as h approaches 0, 6 times 6 is 36 plus 6h plus 6h is 12h plus h times h is h squared minus 36 over h. Then we'll cancel out 36 minus 36 since this is equal to 0. And now we are left with the limit as h approaches 0 of the expression 12h plus h squared over h. Notice that the common coefficient in the numerator is h. So simplifying this, we have h times the quantity of 12 plus h over h. Then cancel out h from the numerator and the denominator. This would result to the limit as h approaches 0 of the expression 12 plus h. And after that, we will plug in the value of h, which is 0. 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. Next, we have the limit as z approaches 4 of the expression square root of z minus 2 over z minus 4. In this, we won't be directly substituting the value of z, since this would result to undefined. So what we're gonna do is we will multiply it by its conjugate. So the limit of z approaches 4 as z approaches 4 of the expression square root of z minus 2 over z minus 4 times the conjugate. So the conjugate of square root of z minus 2 is square root of z plus 2. So we're going to multiply it in the numerator and in the denominator. Then using the FOIL method, we have the limit as z approaches 4. Square root of z times square root of z is z. Answer is z. Plus 2 times square root of z minus 2 times square root of z minus negative 2 plus positive 2 is negative 4 all over. We won't be using the FOIL method in the denominator. We'll just copy it. So z minus 4 times square root of 2 plus 2. Square root of z plus 2. And then this is equal to 0. So now we only have the limit as z approaches 4 of the expression z minus 4 over z minus 4 times the quantity of square root of z plus 2. Since z minus 4 from the numerator and denominator is the same, we'll have to cancel that out. And now we are left with the limit as z approaches 4 of the expression 1 over square root of z plus 2. And now we will be plugging in the value of z, which is 4. So square root of 4 plus 2. 1 over square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is the answer. The limit as x approaches -3 of the expression square root of 2x plus 22 minus 4 over x plus 3. Similar to what we did on the previous example, we will be multiplying it by its conjugate. So the limit as x approaches to -3 of the expression square root of 2x plus 22 minus 4 over x plus 3. Then multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate, 2x plus 22 plus 4. And then we have the limit as x approaches -3. So 2x, square root of 2x plus 22 times square root of 2x plus 22. The result would be 2x plus 22. And then 4 times square root of 2x plus 22. Sorry, this is positive, plus 4 times square root of 2x plus 22 minus 4 times square root of 2x plus 22. Then -4 times +4 is -16. All over x plus 3 times the quantity of square root of 2x plus 22 plus 4. Then cancel this out since this is 0. We have the limit as x approaches to -3 of the expression 2x. So 22 minus 16 is +6. So we'll have 2x plus 6. Then we'll just copy the denominator. X plus 3 times the quantity of square root of 2x plus 22 plus 4. Then we'll have to simplify the numerator. So by doing so, we can easily cancel out the numerator and the denominator. So we have 2 times quantity of x plus 3. If we're going to multiply this to 2 times x plus 3, the result would be 2x plus 6. So from the denominator, we have x plus 3 times square root of 2x plus 22 plus 4. Then we'll cancel out x plus 3, both from the numerator and the denominator. And now we have the limit as x approaches negative 3. We have 2 in the numerator over 2x plus square root of 2x plus 22 plus 4. And then what we're gonna do is we will substitute the value of x by negative 3. So 2 over square root of 2 times negative 3 plus 22 plus 4. So 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 22 is positive 16 plus 4. So negative 16, the square root of 16 is 4. So we have 2 over 4 plus 4. The answer is, so the final answer would be 1 over 4.